Hello, everybody. My name is Paulo Alberto Vargas, and today I'm gonna talk about 5 tips to avoid coronavirus. Well, first, when you go out, you should wear a mask correctly, like this. There are many types of masks. Second, you must wear gloves to keep your hands virus free. Also, you can keep used gloves. You have to discard them. Third, you have to wash your cell phone screen with alcohol, like this, when you arrive at your home. Fourth, you should wash your hands with any type or soup every 2 or 3 hours. Fifth, you can use antibacterial gel or hand gel to supplement hand washing, like this. I will like you follow my advices and thank you very much to see my video and see you.